If you want to put your business on Uber Eats, then you are at the right place. Today I'm going to show you how you can put your business on Uber Eats. First things first, go to ubereats.com. Then scroll a little down and you will find the country listed where Uber Eats are available. Find your country in this list. If you found this country, that means you are eligible for Uber Eats business registration. Now, at the top right corner, you will find the sign up button. Click on it if you don't have any account on Uber Eats, and if you have an account already, just you need to click on login and enter your credential, and you can log into your account. And in here, you can sign up to Uber Eats by your Google account, your Apple account, or your email and password. You can create an account by giving the email, your work email or password. After completing the sign up process, you will be returned to the homepage again, and you will find a 3-line menu option at the top left corner, and here you can control your profile, your manage your profile, and in this section here you can see the create a business account. Just click on it and it will take a short loading. Then you will be redirected to Uber for Business page where you can register your business on Uber. Now click on get started now button. Also, you can find some manual instructions from this page. Now from here you can create an account for your business. Creating an account on Uber Business is totally free. There is no hidden charge, and if you already have an account, you can click on this button. Then if you need to log in to your business account, you can click on login, and now we are going to sign up for a new account for Uber Business. Click on this sign up free button. You can see I have already registered an account on Uber Business, and which is on pending, and are going through a review session from Uber Business. And at the bottom of your screen you will find a button for creating another account for Uber Business. You just need to enter your organization name, your work mail, your company size, and you need to add your phone number. Click on this checkbox to agree on their terms and conditions. Then click on next and you will be landed on their dashboard. When you complete the process, they will ask you for set up your business. There will be some guide. Just follow the on-screen instruction properly to manage and decorate your business on Uber for Business page. It will help you a lot to increase your presence on Uber Business and the sales. Also, you can get a proper overview about your business. But for now, I'm skipping these instructions. Now here you can see I have already verified my account. You need to verify your account first. It's totally a crucial point of your business account. Verify your address, email address and contact number for your business. It's not a difficult task. You just need to follow the on-screen process that are provided by Uber for Business, and you can easily verify your account. Then at the top right side you will find your profile icon, and the beside of this you will find a bell icon where you can get an overview about notification that related to your business or other stuffs. Now there is some team option. You can add your team members to this account. They also can help you to manage your business. Then you can set up billing preference, provide billing information and invite employees or teams. These 3 steps will begin after when you will complete the second step. This is a step-by-step guide to complete and decorate your business profile on Uber for Business account, and this is crucial to make sure that all step is properly completed on your account. There you have it. After completion of your Uber for Business account, you can put your business on Uber Eats. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another tech and tips video for your business. Best of luck with your business.